What's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So in this video I'm just going to continue presenting to you this amazing tool for image generation I had presented to you in a previous video. So I'm sure you know already about ideogram. Well, if you don't know about ideogram is also another image generation tool which generates really amazing photorealistic images. So you can check it out at ideogram.ai. But I find the images of ideogram, even though they are very realistic, I don't find them as realistic as this other tool called ImageFX. So I find that ideogram excels at generating creative images. As you can see, it generates creative images quite well, but realistic images is not yet that. You can always feel like there's something off about the realistic images it generates. But this tool, ImageFX, it does quite the opposite. It generates amazing photorealistic images, but not very well creative images. So I make use of a combination of both of them to generate some amazing images that I use across my project. So today we're going to check out this tool and we're going to see a little bit of those images it's going to generate for us. So let's dive straight into it. So I went straight away to get ChatGPT to give me some prompts that we can use. So we're just going to generate some images from them. So we'll go ahead and put in the prompts here. I'll try to change the ratio. I prefer to go with something a little mobile landscape 4:3 ratio. That's good for me. So what does our prompt say? A photorealistic image of a black entrepreneur wearing a tailored suit, standing in a sleek modern office with glass walls. They are writing innovative ideas on a digital touchscreen board with natural sunlight streaming through the windows. So let's go ahead and create something from that. So also, as compared to ideogram, this is much faster. It's true that the free version of ideogram is a pool of people who are just creating images all at once, so that's why there's a delay. But with this, it's a lot faster. I believe it always takes under a minute to generate the image, and they always come out looking very nice. The downside of this one though is that sometimes some images don't get generated at all when you maybe enter some words, some keywords it doesn't like. Another upside of this website as well is the fact that it identifies the keywords in your prompts and focuses on those, and equally gives you some suggestions. For example, instead of entrepreneur, you could put artist, doctor, or lawyer. Instead of modern office, you could put cozy cottage, futuristic spaceship, and so on and so forth. So we're going to check those out and see a little bit how they work all together. So let's see what it produces for us. Okay, so there you have it. After a couple of seconds, it's able to generate you the image. As you can see, I find it really realistic. I don't know about you, but I find this very, very realistic, and it has really stuck to the prompt I requested from it. You can see the black entrepreneur. You can clearly see it's a black man. Tailored suit. He's wearing a tailored suit. Sleek and modern office. Nailed it. And glass walls, really nailed everything about the prompt. It's quite amazing. So you have some additional options. You can bookmark them, you can copy the image to paste it directly into a software or something, or you can download it directly onto your computer, or you can just share the link if you want to share the image. If you want to see it on a bigger aspect ratio, you can just click on it and it's going to make it bigger this way. I really don't like this display. Would have preferred it if it was full screen, but nevertheless it's still good. You can download it and open it on your computer, so you can cycle through the different prompts and see just how amazing they are. Wow, so you can see how it has stuck to the prompt and really generated some amazing photorealistic images. Yeah, so you can go ahead and equally change the prompt, the keywords. If you want something different, you can go ahead and change it. Maybe you want an Asian entrepreneur, and so on and so forth. It was shuffled through these keywords to propose something different. So let's try to change this and put a modern office. Let's go with standing in a sleek futuristic spaceship with glass walls. Let's try that out and see the results of that. So let's go ahead. So I think this is going to be much more of a creative image than something realistic. We don't know what a spaceship looks like. I guess it's going to create something that it imagines could be a spaceship, and we're going to see the results it produces for us. Okay, so there you have it. It's created what it considers a spaceship. I know this is the typical spaceship from movies, so I guess it went ahead and created that. So you can see it really comes as close as it can to the prompt we gave to it, and I really like how realistic this image look. You can clearly see that. I'm sure if there was a spaceship, this is kind of what it's going to look like. Yeah, so there you have it. It's an amazing tool that creates some amazing photorealistic images. It doesn't really do well on the creative side of things, but it definitely nails it on the photorealistic aspect. So go ahead and check it out at labs.google/fx/tools/image-fx and try to create some amazing tools. It's totally free. You need to sign up. I think you need to sign up with your Google account. Yeah, so I guess everybody has a Google account at this point, so you can go ahead and sign in with your Google account and you check that out. So go ahead and check it out and generate some amazing image. I hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you on the next one.